Here we go. Good luck, Jerry. 2014-15 Panini Prizm Jumbo. Good luck, man. Here we go. All right, first box has an orange. All right, we got OJ Mayo and Kevin Garnett, 61 of 139, orange die cut. Julius Randle draft, upside down variation, Kel Brown, and Bruno Caboclo. That's our first autograph right there. Oh, I'll check out your text right now, Ryan. Another autograph right there. All right, let's go. We got Kurt Rambis, Otto Porter, Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame Prizm. Box is weird. Look at all these upside down rookies. Larry Johnson. Did I say Scott Rambis? Kurt Rambis. Jeremy Lin, Russ Smith, and Representatives Karl Malone. Parker. We got a gold! There is the gold. Hopefully he's in the rookie spot. Woo! Gold! Save the gold for last. Andrew Wiggins, freshman phenoms. Serge Ibaka, Thunder. Ralph Sampson, 27 of 139. And I missed this one from this year. Superstars! Anthony Davis. Very nice. Shabazz Napier, rookie short print. Anthony Bennett, Tyler Enos, and Jabari Parker draft. Right? We've got Rodney Hood, Carlos Boozer, Doug McBuckets. And the last pack should have an autograph, so we'll start with that one. It is a blue Prizm autograph. Alright, so we're going to do James Enos, Ty Lawson, and our autograph is Clee Anthony Early. Holy Early, what were you doing? What were you thinking when you signed that sticker? Clee Anthony Early. 249 of 249. Glenn Robinson the third. Right team 1 year too early. You are correct. Shaquille O'Neal, J.R. Smith, 129 of 139. And here you go, Cassie John, Kurt Rambis. Kurt Rambis, red Prizm autograph, 38 of 149. James Young. Alright, here we go. Last autograph before the gold. Chandler Parsons. Eric Green for the Nuggets. That is numbered 27 of 139. And our autograph is nice. Doug McDermott. I don't know how he's doing this year, but I know last year he was hot. Him and Mirotic. 30 of 249. Very nice. Alright, and your gold. There's Sean Kemp. And David West, blue. 22 of 49, one away from jersey number. Blue Prizm. Fireworks, LeBron James. LeBron James. There's a Wiggy. Andrew Wiggins. And our autograph. Hopefully it's a rookie. And one more base. Yep, one more base. Here we go. Good luck. Oh, it looks like it's upside down. Rookie. Gold. Nice. Alfred Payton. Gold Pulsar. 9 of 10. Wow.
We'll be there, Bill. Don't worry about it.
I'll call you later and let you know if I'm coming.
You're coming. Bye. You were just sitting here trying to...
That is nice. Congratulations, Jerry. Nice overall box.
Your face looks like Chase from Botox.
Very nice.
I found out.
Thanks, sir.